We are traveling to Bucharest, Romania by train, but there is so much uncertainty. It's so confusing.
Oh my god, it is so confusing.
We are not the only one who are confused.
Even the locals are confused.
All the confusion all over again. It's 5:45 in the morning, so we are not talking.
We went to Sofia Central Station a couple of days ago to buy a ticket.
No, we don't sell tickets out of borders of Bulgaria.
Then who sell it? But they only gave us until Ruse, which is a border town of Bulgaria. And from there, we are gonna have to buy another ticket, I guess, to Bucharest. But we don't know how and when it's gonna be. Platform number 3. 4. Platform 4.
It's surprisingly very hard to navigate whenever we come to the train stations because nothing is written in English.
I asked her ticket seller if she can give us a ticket from Ruse to Bucharest, but she started speaking in their language and she was just saying go to 4. So we are here and we are not alone. There are so many. There are so many like us. So that's gonna be okay then. I guess we're gonna have to go on to that one.
This looks good though.
It is, eh?
Ooh, that's us. You know what? They have an aircon.
How do you know?
They don't?
No, they don't.
Uh-oh, they don't. Time for a quick tour. So we have got this entire cabin to ourselves.
No.
Just kidding. We just have these 2 seats, which apparently are very comfortable because when we traveled from Plovdiv to Sofia, it was,
Pretty much the same.
Yeah, pretty much the same and big S. It has got good leg space and it's got mirror, space to put our luggage and a big ass window. My first impression of this train is it's a bit cleaner than the last one. I just had a peek of the toilet and yeah, it's pretty much the railway standard toilet, which I won't be using.
Okay, so apparently we were in the wrong compartment.
The direction, I guess.
It's all the way in
I
front.
guess.
Yeah.
So. You're traveling.
So we are trying to find our seat again.
Наотпред. Първи вагон.
Which one is it? All the way in front?
Да.
Can you tell me which compartment, please? Oh my god, it is so confusing. It says 1, so we were in, I guess, compartment 1, but apparently we were wrong.
We were in probably A1 class, so it was much cleaner. This one is very dirty. The glass, even it's so dirty that we can't even shoot or film anything from this window at all. We don't know where we can find food, or obviously the train doesn't have any provision for food. So we brought our own. This time we didn't rely on pizza. We just went to supermarket and grabbed some food. Not very healthy though. But I love waffles. And I have got 12 of them. We are going to a different compartment because apparently the whole train is empty. So I'm not gonna sit here in dirtness. If someone asks us to move again, we will move. I can't tell you. How happy this makes me.
Papa ki pari. We are getting to that station where I think we might have to change train, but we are not sure. So we have half an hour to figure everything out, but we'll see.
So we are not the only one who are confused. Apparently the whole compartment is definitely going to Ruse, and we are not changing trains here. We are gonna stay here, but no one has any idea of what's going on.
So this compartment and that compartment will go to Ruse. I asked him.
And apparently the same train is going to Bucharest as well, but we have to buy ticket from Ruse to Bucharest in Ruse because they haven't issued any ticket. 2 hours of peace, and then we'll start all the confusion all over again.
When we get to Ruse or Ruse, who knows what to say. I'm gonna go buy a ticket to Bucharest, our country number 7. Actually, country is Romania, but you know what I mean.
क्या खबर लाए हो?
So apparently, they don't sell ticket here as well.
Oh my god, are they kidding? What's going on?
So apparently the ticket conductor will give you the ticket.
So you were talking to someone over there as well, and they said the same thing, right?
Yeah, I was talking to that guy,
Yeah.
but I couldn't trust him, so I went to ticket counter.
Oh, okay.
I brought you coffee.
Thank you.
Passport.
Thank you.
Where have you been in Bulgaria?
We went to Plovdiv and then Sofia.
And now you're going to?
Bucharest.
Bucharest.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And once again they took our passport, same as when we were entering Bulgaria from Istanbul.
It's still so new to us, right?
I mean, yeah, it's very strange that they take your passport. But we know it's gonna come back, so we are not that worried.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You might be wondering why we do this, why we prefer trains over planes. The obvious reason is it's cheap.
And the biggest reason actually.
Yeah, we are budget travelers, so this is the cheapest option for us. And I just had a quick look from Sofia to Bucharest. It was 166 USD, but it was an hour-long flight. So obviously it's the quickest way, but obviously it's the expensive way as well. But with the trains as well, it's like the thrilling factor, you know, you don't know what's coming and how you're going to cross the border and what's going to happen with your passport, have they stamped it or not, and stuff like that. That the thrill you don't get it, you know, by plane. We are crossing the border!
Romania and Bulgaria's border is right in the middle of this river. We are officially in our country number 7, Romania.
We have taken our passports again.
And by the way, that was Romanian border police. Thank you. Finally, the ticket seller is coming, so we can actually buy a ticket.
Oh, I forgot about that completely. From Ruse to Bucharest, we still didn't have ticket.
No.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
After what it feels like ages, we are in country number 7.
Romania. So that's a station. There's not even a gate to come out of the station. But as soon as you come out, you see this. I'm not sure, maybe it is the station as well, where you have KFC, Subway, and all the other shops. Pretty cool, eh? Now get to our accommodation, we have 2 options. Either we can walk half an hour, or we can take a bus which will gonna get us there in 15 minutes. But to get the bus, which is public transport, I have to get the transit card. And now the struggle begins. Okay, this is us on the station. We'll wait for, I'm not sure, maybe 10 minutes. And then we'll get the truck. Then we'll get the bus.
It's been a long day. And something very nice happened. We were just randomly vlogging just outside of the train station because we couldn't find any kiosk or any like a ticket counter where we could get the transit card. And Sagar was like looking for it online. So there is some trouble in paradise.
There is not much information.
We were just talking like randomly. And this person was actually listening to our conversation, and she then just asked, like, did we need any help? And we started talking, right? Unfortunately, obviously not everyone likes to be in front of the camera, so I didn't take the whole conversation. I was just taking parts of it.
You will go and put money on it. It's a gift welcome to Romania.
No.
I don't live in Bucharest anymore, and I use my card, my Romanian card to pay whenever I go with my bus.
Oh my God, are you sure?
Yes, I'm not living in Romania.
But she was so kind, and she gave her transit card to us, saying she's no longer staying or living in Romania. She is from Romania, but she's not living here. She has moved. She's not using this card anymore, so she just gave it to us. Why?
First impression of Bucharest.
Why some people are just so nice?
Also, that kind lady who gave us that transit card also told us that you can use actually any debit cards. So if you are desperate in Bucharest and you couldn't find any shop to buy that transit card, then you can use your debit card. I mean, it will depend on your bank that how much conversion fee it will charge. Got the keys and open it and switch the numbers. Let's go in. For some reason, all European countries, they have tiny lifts.
Oh my God.
Oh, it looks big.
And it's so clean. I can smell the cleanliness. It's time for a quick tour. It's not a big apartment by the looks of it. This is our kitchen. We have got coffee machine. We love a good coffee. And that's our dining area. I think this is where we will be working because we don't have dedicated workspace. 40, I would say. This is one dedicated space to work. Big as fridge. Then moving on to our bedroom. We have got very good king size bed. Ooh, this is a good mattress. And this window is overlooking the square. And we have some good closet space, that's good. And moving on to the bathroom. Oh my God, it's big. And it smells so good. And it looks like a very clean bathroom, which I love. Nice!